Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video today we are going to discuss about AlertDialog in Android. What is AlertDialog? AlertDialog is a simple alert to user on screen. When user performing some operation, right, at the point of time we will show this alert to the user. For example, when user trying to delete something from the app, instead of deleting immediately, we will show one alert dialog to user. If user is okay to delete, we will delete. If they are not okay to delete, we will simply dismiss that alert dialog. So what is the use of this? Consider without this alert dialog, okay, when tap on a button, if I delete that item immediately, what will happen? That item will be deleted without confirmation from the user. Now take one scenario, by mistake if user tapped on that button, what will happen? That item will be deleted, right? So to avoid that kind of situation, we are showing one alert dialog to the user with detailed message. It means like whenever user trying to delete something, we are giving a detailed message to user by saying, are you sure to delete this item? Are you okay to delete this item? If they are okay, we will delete the item. Okay, that is why we need alert dialog in our app. Let's see how to create alert dialog. Go to our main activity. Inside main activity we have a layout file. We have one button here. Okay, that button ID is button 1. I am getting reference to that button 1. When I tap on that button 1, we are showing that alert dialog. Now let's see how to create alert dialog. Alert dialog equal to alert dialog dot builder. Okay, so we are going to build alert dialog now using activity context. So alert dialog dot title. So what is the title? Delete is the title. And what is the message? Detailed message to the user. Using set message we can type, we can give detailed message to user. Are you sure to delete this item from your app? They have to respond to the message, right? Yes or no. So we have positive button. Okay, positive in the sense they are okay to delete. What is the button text? Yes, they are okay to delete. So where can we get the callback? They are tapped on yes, it means they are okay to delete that item, and then we'll take action from here. Same like we have alert dialog dot negative button. They are not okay to delete. Okay, set negative buttons. Negative button in the sense no, they are not okay to delete the item. So what is that click listener for that? Dialog interface dot on click listener. Okay, now do one thing, show one toast in this place. Toast dot make text. I am showing toast in this context. What is the message? Yes, click. What is the duration for the toast? Length short dot show the toast. They tap down no, show no message to the user. Okay, now at last show that alert dialog dot show. So when I tap on button, we are creating alert, we are showing that to the user. I am running the app. So what we are doing, we are setting on click listener for the button. When user tap on that button, we are creating one alert dialog and we are showing that to user. Now see here, I am tapping on delete. Are you sure to delete this item from your app? I am tapping on yes. Yes clicked. It means from here you can delete that item. If I tap on no, if you want to perform any operation, you can do it from here. Okay. Sorry. Now move this code to separate function. Show simple alert to user. Okay. Calling this function. Now let's see what we can do what are the other features are there in AlertDialog. Now this AlertDialog is having two button, one is positive button, one is negative button, right? You can create only one button if you want. And are you sure you want to log out from the app? Yes, it means log out. Or if you want to give a no button, you can give no button. And what other features are there in AlertDialog? Let's check that. Other one is using AlertDialog we can display items on our screen so that user can select one item among all. Okay, let's see how to do that. Now create another function, show single selection dialog. Okay, single selection alert. So here what we are going to do, we are going to list out some content on the screen, list of content on the screen. So among all the list item, right, user can select only one item. That we can do. Let's see how to do that. To do that, copy AlertDialog. We are creating AlertDialog dot. So what is that single selection list item? Okay, that we need to give single choice items. Single choice item in the sense we are going to give list of items. That AlertDialog will list out all the items. In that list of items, user can pick only one item. Okay, that is single choice item. Now I am going to give single choice items. What are the items to display? For example, here I have created skills array. Okay, pass this skills array. So this AlertDialog will list out these skills. By default, which item should be selected? I am passing 0 and listener for that. Okay, on item click listener. I think on item click listener. Where is that? Dialog interface dot on item click listener. Okay, on item click listener. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show that to the user. So what we are doing here, instead of showing a normal alert message to user, we are showing some list of item to the user on our AlertDialog. Let's see, I'm running the app. See, single choice item is coming. I am tapping on Dell. See, by default here we are passing, right? In the sense, zeroth item will be selected at default. So Lenovo is selected already. If I tap on Dell, if I tap on Samsung, see this dialog is not closing, right? If you want, you can show button to the user. Here, see, like set positive or negative button, positive button ID. I'm this text. Okay, what text to display on positive button? Submit, and on click listener for that. On click listener, yes, this one. Okay, when user taps on that submit button, we are closing that dialog instance we have already, and this is which item they are selecting. Okay, dialog dot dismiss. Now I'm running the app. So what will happen, we are creating AlertDialog with list of items, that is single choice item. Okay, and we are also showing a positive button to user. When user taps on that submit button, the AlertDialog will be dismissed. Lenovo is there, Dell is there, Samsung is there. I'm clicking on submit button. Okay, but see, the state is not maintained. This is because of this item. So what we need to do here, we have to save the state in a variable, and when we launch this AlertDialog again, it pass this variable whatever they have selected. Okay, so that the item will be retain its state. This is how we are showing single selection AlertDialog to user. So what about multi-selection alert dialog then? So create another function to create a multi-selection alert dialog. This is the multi-selection, okay, multi-selection dialog. Now inside which, instead of setting a single choice item, I am setting multiple choice item. So here, what are the multiple items and how many items are selected, that we need to pass. So this is not going to be a single one, this is going to be an array of boolean. So what we need to give, we have created a boolean array here, pass that boolean array, and what will happen here, see, like this callback method also we need to revert on item selected listener, okay, dialog interface dot on multi choice click listener, okay, multi choice click listener this is. Now so what is happening, I'm creating alert dialog with multiple choice items. User can pick multiple items, user can select multiple items. So what are the items that we are going to display, that is skills, Lenovo, Dell or Samsung, and what are the items selected previously, okay, that we need to give. By default first item is selected, this is that array, boolean array, first item I'm making true, it means first when we launch this alert dialog at first state, this item will be selected, first item will be selected by default. Now what I'm going to do, I'm running the app and see how it looks like. Call this method on button click. So we are creating multiple choice alert dialog and we are showing it to user. By default first item will be selected, okay, I'm clicking this one, see first item is selected. I'm selecting multiple items and then when I tap on submit, what will happen, dialog will be cancelled, okay, because we are dismissing dialog. What if you wanted to maintain the state, see here state is maintained here, this is because the skill selected, right, this is maintaining its state here, that is why. So this is the use of alert dialog friends. We can display a normal message to user, single selection message to user, or multiple selection message to user, or else if you want we can customize our content view also. For example, create another function, let's customize show custom alert, okay. So what we are going to do here, alert dialog dot set custom view, some method is there, I think set view, see this view, okay, we can assign some view here. For example, for now I'm creating only one text view, okay. Text view t, in this context we are creating a text view, and for this text view I am setting a text to text view dot text equal to custom alert UI. Now this view I am setting here, now I'm showing that to user, okay. So instead of creating UI from layout file, I am creating simple text at runtime and I am assigning that to this alert dialog directly. Now call this method and see how it looks like. Show custom alert, we are building on alert dialog with custom view, that's a single text view. See, this is a single text view, okay, you can customize if you want. This is all about alert dialog friends. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching my channel. Let's meet in the next session.